If you was my stylist, I would get on Facebook and bash you.
Hey, what's up though, man? Y'all know it's your boy SBG. Y'all don't know, y'all know me
We
now.
can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
No,
I got a screen?
Speak up.
Hey,
Y'all know what to do.
Man, y'all heard it, SBG.
Y'all know what's going on.
Screen.
I'm finna go on, chop them up real quick.
I'm finna attempt to get
Yeah, you finna fuck real quick.
Nah.
Let me show y'all the wig though.
I'm finna go and have it right. And look, this is our first video together.
Yeah, this really our first time like really meeting each other, being around each other.
So y'all might like that. We're gonna see how this go down. Let me put this down.
Y'all, this wig, I had got this just for this video. It's from Amazon. I don't know who it's from, like the company.
You gotta treat these folks.
It's a cool little 613 20 inch. Nothing crazy. This was like 95 before tax, y'all.
That's a lot of hair to work with. I don't know. You 10 head to do?
I am, but I blow dry my hair, so it's gonna be straight. I'm scared for real.
Yeah, I'm finna slap that shit down.
We're gonna do me first, since it take a long time.
Yeah, we gonna. And this shit easy, man. Hold on. I'm kind of thin for real.
I feel like it. What? My hair ain't thin. Everybody be saying my hair thick. Ask me why he braids straight down, y'all. Ask me why he ain't going to the back. I had to do it myself. Hell no, hurt.
You don't do no push-up in there.
I can do some push-up.
On mine, you can do a push-up.
I can do a
push-up right now. If you do a push-up on myself, every time I got it from, I ask people to do push-up, they can't do one. Like, you gotta be a good push-up.
Watch it.
Oh, y'all look. How you get the camera down? I do push-up. So you strong, basically.
Hell no,
you know how to fight?
Yeah.
How many fights you ever done?
I don't care. Well, a real fight, only one. That's where it started, me fighting with my cousins.
Damn,
of course I was done. I thought you was done. You started to get a little low.
But then,
I couldn't hear you.
So goddamn. See, now you just fucked me up. But I've been jumped like a lot of times. So that's the only time that
So how you go about being jumped? Like, what was that like? I ain't like, that's crazy.
That shit
like,
be fun.
Okay, so you gotta put some glue around here, right? You gotta use this to spray it on the couch. Then see, he told me he watched the video. Now I'm trying to explain to him as if I know how to do hair.
So where the access started at? Like right here.
I just wanted to say thank y'all for tuning in. I always forget to do a formal introduction / welcome to my channel before the video. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. My name Liv for those that don't know, and welcome back if you did know.
Alright, now your boy HBG Quiz on the mic. Listen, right now if y'all ain't see what I was doing, I was putting makeup on the lace front so it can match her skin color, her top of her head. The head look kind of long right there. But look, I was just asking her to fill my bullet wound right there.
See, he didn't know what he was doing. It looked like he knew what he was doing, don't it? But he didn't know what he was doing.
I'm plugging it at that point right there. I was trying to do whatever, but she was really just telling me how to do it. Everyone for her shit probably be looking too bad.
If you try it,
look, let me show y'all this. She was gonna stab the fuck out of y'all niggas.
Yeah, y'all never know what people to do. Like, you gotta stay prepared.
I just like how I do something.
Really
that's crazy. I give up. That's crazy.
I ain't say you give up that. I just don't know you like that.
Well, what the fuck am I?
Yeah, I had called her before I came here. I sent her my address. I sent her your profile on Facebook. Boy opened up a can of Beyond sausages right here. Fingers look like bust open hot dogs.
So at this point right here, I'm just putting glue on the edge part so I can finna get ready to lay the wig down. What kind of dog you got, baby?
A Shih Tzu.
Really, dog?
See, that one I wasn't finna say it at first.
You bite that motherfucker back?
Man, I was little.
Shit, I used to bite dogs and they bite you when I was like that.
They probably pinched you a little bit.
Yeah, nah, dogs used to bite.
I actually got bit by a dog twice.
What was
in my ear. I think it's this ear. No, it's this ear. It's this. You see that line? Yeah.
I got a bit on my leg, on both my legs.
See your leg, you can come up.
That shit look good. You want to leave you with that. But I wouldn't say that because you weren't born like that. But you still pulling that shit off. Like, I don't see you trying to wear no makeup and hide it.
Yeah, I don't like makeup.
Look good, natural beauty. See, like when you had the little profile, they look better than that wig. Yeah, me. That shit just doing. I like a natural female. Like that weird shit just out of this.
Honestly, y'all kill me when y'all say that, cause
I know
if you see somebody with that natural hair and then you see somebody with a wig and somebody that's real thick, who you finna go for first?
I mean,
okay.
Just lay it down.
Yeah. No. Hold on. Make sure the cap not showing. Like, yeah. Bring it up a little. Shirt backwards, bagging, and then to y'all. I swear we ain't peeped this till the video was over.
To the goddamn nitty-gritty now. I didn't know so much. I want something a little bit. I gotta make sure the bitch on the dog. Yeah, but he is so damn long. Like, it's already getting stolen. What the fuck?
Cause it's glue. And then what they do is they get the cone.
So right here, I was making sure the wig was stuck in place. Like, say if she was get beat up, nobody can steal that wig in there. Now what I do, just lay it down, can't you?
No.
You gotta rub with the shit.
Yeah.
I used to sleep on though. But I still would.
You used to sleep with it. Try a blow dryer? Me too. This shit crazy.
I'm going to sleep.
If the room cold, I had a blow dryer on my feet or maybe in my face.
Hell, not the face.
You just can't have it too cold. Like that shit feels so soothing.
I had a bitch pointing at my hand.
You like my brother. This how he be with the blow dryer.
Okay, now what I do?
You just put it around it.
You just gotta slap them ears on there, you gonna look decent.
I'm sorry, y'all insane.
Why you running like that? Ooh, I can't, that's why I don't trust you on my phone. They do shit that I ain't got no business.
I like looking at people's phones, I don't know why. Freestyle.
What you mean that's about?
You got stuck to the side, so you see what you're doing. Rap about me. Can you freestyle for it? Cause whatever hell on this side, you place it that way. Whatever hell on this side, you place it that way.
Oh, shit. I see it, man.
It's King got heat.
Hey, baby, she seen me tell. She been checking while I'm doing it.
Okay.
Say what she is, don't care. This bra like she using that. Damn, what she want, beats for the good. Will be a clown, 7 4 6, let's go to the dome. Hell no, I ain't shit on the home. Hell no, I ain't shit on the house. These niggas be rich for the dollar is nice. These niggas be for the class. Hit the eyeball, maybe we ride it.
Yes, we go. You can hear that? That's freestyle. You freestyle for real?
Go ahead about that to me. She from square, bang, shit on the game. The bitch on the back out of scrum, and now I'm bang, playing like Mason. These niggas really be putting going out of the movie, clear, the real deal clear. Beat up the pig like a dragon, I slay up. Now that shit looks good.
It look like it's gonna be somewhere you take this band off, but I already know it's not.
I'm the real goat around here, baby.
Okay, it's looking like something. Until he did this.
Alright, she said it was looking good till I did this. Maybe she right though. If I would have just flat down everything, instead of hitting them with them curlers, it would look better. But I was just trying to goddamn, get her out the door for real. Just do something out of the ordinary. Make up a new style for real.
It look real cute with the band on, but I'm scared to take the band off for real.
Take it out. He might have been laid down and flat that shit to the max. That bit out, gang. Bad can get that bit
The
out.
big reveal. I'll be back in 5.
That shit ain't good, bro.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
We probably should have just stopped right here. Every step, it just kept getting worse.
Nah. I'ma tell y'all after this, man, everything just went down here. Like, if I would have just kept it how it was at first, it would have been okay. But right here, I was just trying to do the edges, and I felt miserably bad. Now what I do next? Bro, I can't do no edge, bro. That shit ain't gonna even come out right, dog. He asking you, man. Fuck that. I'm finna do that. Let me try. Brush. Get what I'm gonna do. Give me that. Fuck that. I'm definitely.
Should've just got up out his chair. He playing in my face at this point. What's a Superman?
Make that shit like Superman. You be mad if I was to burn you?
Yo, you already cut me on the face. Yo, what y'all be saying? God don't play about me.
I ain't think that was my finger, dog.
Oh my God.
Smell my hand, bro.
No, I see it on here.
My finger on there. My fingerprints came off.
So this is how you did my hair.
Goddamn.
My ears just look really cute. I love them.
Goddamn. I had them hoes.
Yeah, it just look worn out. Like,
yeah, you still look pretty as fuck. On God, look.
thank you. If you was my
Make sure y'all get at me too, man. Y'all see how I got look at them curls on the side. Yeah.
Alright, so how y'all think he did? 1 out of 10? I think 0.